Okay, so now we have lots of long screws and we have 6 short ones. The 6 short ones go in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to go in the very center and go right up into the black plastic area, as just like this. So we're going to first attach that to this. Okay, so now we're going to use the 4 small screws to connect the 3 pieces. So just line it up, grab one of the small screws, and we're going to hold it like this, thread them right through. This is going to connect the 2. So the smaller 6 screws. That's going to, again, hold the panels up against each other. It's not weight bearing at all. Okay, and the next one. There we go. Hold it nice and tight. I keep going. No. Okay, so now we have the front lip. This is what we're going to install on the car. Okay? So now it's all in one piece. Everyone's saved on shipping. Now let's show you how it attaches. We'll hold it from both sides. So of course this is dead center. So one of the most important things is the middle of the grill, the T, is dead center. And this of course goes on the painted area up to the car like this. So you're gonna have a little fin here, just like that. Line it up on this edge, so this is sitting right up against there. Undercarriage of the front lip is where the screws are going to go through. All right, so let's go ahead. So here's what's going on underneath.
Come on, baby. It looks good.
Good. I mean, you got 6 of these flares or fins.